kitchen, watch it grow. Mix and bake, oh what fun! The baker works till treats are done. The whisk goes round in a speedy spin, mixing batter nice and thin. It twirls and twirls without a stop, helping cakes and cookies pop. The baker wears an apron neat to keep things clean and oh so sweet. Flour flies, but that's okay, the apron keeps the mess away. Whisk, whisk, stir it slow. In the kitchen, watch it grow. Mix and oh what fun! The baker works till treats are done. A big round bowl, deep and wide, where all the tasty things can hide. Sugar, butter, eggs and more, stir them well and then we pour. Roll the dough out nice and flat with a rolling pin, just like that. Push it gently, make it thin, and now the